Welcome to Ajay Astro Money Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and in-depth analysis on commodity markets. Today, we focus on the significant developments in the pepper market, both domestically and internationally. As of September 5th, pepper prices in the main spot markets of Karnataka and Kerala have witnessed a substantial increase. Prices surged by 200 rupees to 300 per quintal in recent reports, and this upward trend is largely being driven by a combination of strong domestic demand and a gradual rise in global pepper prices. In the domestic market, traders have been reporting robust demand, yet many sellers are reluctant to release their stock into the market. This hesitation from sellers is helping to sustain the elevated price levels we are currently seeing. In Kochi, for instance, ungarbled pepper is now priced at around 65,700 rupees per quintal, while garbled pepper is trading at 67,700 rupees. Even the 500-gram variety is fetching a price of 64,700 rupees per quintal. Over in Karnataka, the price range is similarly strong, with pepper prices fluctuating between 65,600 rupees and 67,800 rupees per quintal. The heavy rainfall in recent weeks across Karnataka and Kerala, the two key pepper-producing states, has brought some much-needed relief to crops, with the minimal rain that followed the heavy downpours expected to support healthy crop growth. However, the global market paints a slightly different picture. In Vietnam, one of the world's largest pepper exporters, prices have recently seen a mild decline. Currently, prices range between 144,000 and 146,000 Vietnamese dongs per kilogram, down by 4,000 Vietnamese dongs to 5,000 from previous levels. This decline comes after a sharp upward trend in prices over the past 3 to 4 sessions. Despite this correction, market analysts suggest that the tight supply situation combined with rising global prices should continue to provide support to Vietnam's pepper market in the coming weeks. Additionally, free on board, FOB, prices for Vietnamese pepper have jumped by 8.2% due to limited availability, with the new crop not expected for another 5 to 6 months. Looking ahead, domestic pepper prices are likely to remain elevated in the near term. Widespread concerns about crop production, both domestically and globally, coupled with declining production levels, are expected to fuel further price increases. The global pepper market is experiencing tightening supply, and this, in turn, is likely to sustain high prices in both local and international markets. In terms of international market trends, the FOB prices for black pepper are also reflecting these supply-side constraints. Brazil's Aster pepper is currently quoted at $7,500 per metric ton, while Vietnam's 500 GL pepper is priced at $6,600, and the 550 GL variety stands at $7,000. Other major producers like Indonesia and Malaysia are also seeing strong prices, with Indonesian Aster quoted at $7,521 and Malaysia at $8,500 ringgit per metric ton. These developments underscore the strong demand and limited supply that are likely to continue supporting pepper prices both in India and globally in the months to come. Stay connected with Ajay Astro Money Guru for the latest market insights and updates. Thank you for tuning in.